Colleagues, you see how the item is growing big, but that is standard organic item. So what are we left with? Application, danger, and mitigation. Application, danger, and mitigation, that is what we are left with. Application, danger, and mitigation. Application of what? What did the item say? Application of the solvent, what? Including which it can be converted into useful organic compounds. Okay. It did not specify anywhere. So I should just structure my applications appropriately. Applications. I can come and say hexane is a hydrocarbon. Hydrocarbons are widely applied as fuels. We are from seeing that it is applied as a solvent. So hexane, I'll come and say hexane is widely applied as a solvent, widely applied as a solvent for widely applied as a solvent for organic, widely applied as a solvent for organic substances or compounds. Widely applied as a solvent for organic substances, since it has a long chain, of nonpolar. It has a long chain of nonpolar, strong. Since it has a long chain of nonpolar, strong carbon. So carbon, since it has a long chain of nonpolar, strong carbon, and the carbon to hydrogen. If it has a long chain of nonpolar, strong carbon to carbon and carbon to hydrogen, single covalent bonds, that, so those bonds that long chain of nonpolar strong carbon to carbon and carbon to hydrogen, single covalent bonds that enables it dissolve, well in nonpolar, that enables it dissolve well in nonpolar substances and the reactive compounds. So that is the first application. It is applied as a solvent for organic substances because of the bonds it possesses. Those bonds enable it to dissolve well in nonpolar substances. Then the other application, hexane, is used as a fuel. Is used as a fuel to provide both heat and light energy, is used as a fuel to provide heat, is used as a fuel to provide both heat and light energy, which serve both domestic, and industrial, which serve both domestic and industrial purposes. Used as a fuel to provide both heat and light energy, which serves, to provide both heat and light energy, which serves both domestic and industrial purposes. So why is it used as a fuel? This is because it is made up of, because it is made up of carbon atoms. It's made up of carbon atoms that burn exothermically. It's made up of carbon atoms that burn exothermically. To produce energy. That is done. Application is done. Now I am left with the dangers. Okay. We are still on the same item, people. We are still on the same item, people.